I've put up hay for many years, and we would have rainy spells and rainy summers, but I've never seen it quite this bad. Maybe it's climate change, I don't know, but it makes our job much more difficult. My name is Mark Wrisley. We actually have two business names. One is Wrisley Family Farm, which I am the sole proprietor. The second is Adirondack Hay Grains, and that's my two sons.
My father took it over from his father, the local hay market. My name is Derek Wrisley. I'm part owner of Adirondack Hay Grains. We produce organic corn, sunflowers, wheat, rye, soybeans, and also organic hay, and everything is organic.
On the Wrisley Family Farm side, for years I did just the hay, the small square bales, mainly for the horse market, and some for goats, etc.
I've found only shortly in the last 10 years that the weather patterns have shifted a month. It's hard to plant spring wheat in 2 feet of snow. And then on the backside, September used to be, for hay-wise, that's it. You're not haying anymore. Well, now the last few years, we've been haying all the way up in October. We're having longer, hotter days in October compared to when my father was doing it 30 years ago. When it hit October, you were done haying. More violent storms and more extreme, like last year was a drought. This year, I haven't seen 3 days of dry weather in a row. So hopefully we continue to keep this regenerative farm going and make it sustainable. I mean, it's kind of like what I always wanted to do, and we're still doing it, my brother and I, and hopefully it continues on.